Many people use the term resilience nowadays, especially when it comes to building new leadership skills or being successful at work or developing a new personal development tool. But what a lot of people don't know is that there is one major mistake that you can make when you are trying to build resilience. And that is what I want to talk with you today about in this video. So let's get started. Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Arndt, and I'm a peak performance coach and stress management trainer. And I'm really excited that you are here today to watch this really small video on the question, what is the biggest mistake that you can make when you're trying to build resilience? And here it is. The biggest mistake I see people make when they are trying to build resilience is that they're trying to make external circumstances responsible for how they feel and how their life turns out to be. This is a really important point in personal development and creating personal growth, because if you are always making external circumstances responsible for how you feel, then it is going to be really difficult to make changes in your life. If you want to make changes in your life, if you want to build resilience, and if you want to bounce back from times of crisis, when you want to understand certain things, then it is your responsibility to do it. We oftentimes look for other people to make us feel better, or we look for other circumstances to make us feel better. If only we would have a different job, or if only we would live in a different location, then our life would be so much different, right? But this is not how life works. If you want to make considerable changes in your life, then you need to learn that your external circumstances is just a reflection of who you are. So if you want to start to take control in your life, then you need to start making changes in your life. You need to start developing these different tools in order to feel better and in order to build that resilience. Nobody else can do it for you. You really need to invest in yourself in order to do that. And when we are talking about building resilience, there's obviously a couple of different things that you should be thinking about in order to make sure that you're building that muscle, right? Because what is building resilience at the end of the day? It is to bounce back from a failure as quickly as possible. And the people that are able to bounce back really quickly are the people that have built that resilience. They have learned how to handle difficult situations. And how have they learned it? Well, they have probably gone through a couple of different experiences, and sometimes they might have been really difficult, but because of the experiences they had and because they were reflecting and learning from the experiences that they had, they learn to grow that resilience muscle, and they learn how to react better in the next situation. And that is really what resilience is all about at the end of the day. And one of the most important things when you want to build resilience is that you need to learn that everything in your life is constantly changing, and you need to focus on the things that you can control. And one of the things that is also constantly changing in your life is your emotions and your feelings and your thoughts. Every hour of the day, you might feel differently. And you know what? That is totally normal, and that is totally okay, because that is what life is just all about. And when you start to observe and when you start to be aware of what kind of feelings and emotions are coming up, you will realize that they are not there all the time. The feelings are there in order to be felt, in order to maybe share with you some information, depending on who you are and what kind of experiences you made in the past. And then you need to move on from that. Don't stay stuck in certain feelings or in certain thoughts, because it's not helpful for you. If you want to learn more about how to build your resilience, I highly encourage you to watch a couple of other videos on my YouTube channel. For example, how to develop emotional intelligence, or how to start taking responsibility in your life, how to build the right mindset, and how to get out of your reality loop and create a more stronger reality for yourself. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video today, and if you have any further questions for me, please do not hesitate to leave me a comment down below and I will get back to you as quickly as I can. So give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for your time watching this video today. I hope that you learned that you need to take care of your circumstances yourself and that you shouldn't make other circumstances responsible on how you feel. And I hope to see you in the next video. So see you soon.